Hi everyone, today I will show you how to transfer ownership of a Google form. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser. Now search for Google Forms. Click on the first or result tab pops up. Once you are on the Google Forms homepage, choose the form you want to transfer ownership of. Once it's open, look for the Share button on the top right corner. Click on it and you will see a page where you can edit access to people. Here, in the box on the top, add the email of the person you want to transfer your ownership of. Once you entered, it will ask you to choose whether you want to add them as a responder or editor. Choose editor to transfer them ownership and click send. Now they have full control over the Google form. Thank you for watching and hope this video was helpful for you.